Hi, my name is KUSNADI MOHAMAD AFDHAL and my matrix number is 283574.
And my name is NUGROHO RAIHAN AKBAR. My matrix number is 283610. In this video, we are going to show you some animals that you can find in UUM to increase your UUM knowledge. Ostrich is a large flightless bird found only in open countries in Africa. In UUM, there are 3 which are located in Pet Farm right in front of Nasisma's cafeteria. If you are an UUM student, you can take AB bus to go there. Adult ostrich males may be around 9 feet tall and females somewhat smaller. The size of an ostrich egg is about 6 inches long by 5 inches in diameter and about 3 pounds in weight, also the largest egg in the world. In wildlife, ostriches are seen individually, in pairs, in small flocks, or in large groups depending on the season. The ostrich relies on its strength, unique two-toed feet with the main toe developed almost as a hook to escape its enemies, especially humans and the larger carnivores. A frightened ostrich can reach speeds of 45 miles per hour. If concerned, it can deliver a dangerous kick. Ostrich feathers adorned the helm of medieval European knights, and in the 19th century such feathers were sold for women's jewelry. This demand led to the establishment of ostrich farms in South Africa, the southern United States, Australia, and elsewhere. But the trade collapsed after World War I. Ostriches are now raised for their meat and skin, which produces a soft, fine-grained meat. The birds have been trained for saddle and foot racing, but they tire easily and are not suitable for training. They do well in captivity and can live 50 years.
A deer or true deer is a ruminant that makes up the family Cervidae. Male deer and female reindeer of all species grow each year and drop new antlers. This distinguishes them from the permanent horned antelopes that are part of the different families within the same order of the Aerodactyla. Asian musk deer and tropical African and Asian forest cephalotains are separate families belonging to the ruminant group that are not particularly closely related to deer family. Deer are special behaviors reflected in the large and autonomically complex digestive system, movable lips, tooth size, and complexity. However, deer are largely independent of coarse-grained grass and have not evolved their grazing disciplines comparable to those found in bovidae like the one you can find in near Nasismas and near Pusat Sukan. Instead, they are characterized by young grasses, herbs, leaves, shoots, aquatic plant, woody woods, and natural silage. That is how low fiber but high in protein, toxicity, and digestibility eat vegetable foods very selectively.
Monkeys have large brains and are known for their inquisitiveness and intelligence. Maybe that is why monkeys in UUM are like to rob plastic bags or any light food package because they think there is food inside. And do not ever try to feed them, they might attack and it is dangerous. Monkeys' brain development combined with the freeing of the hands and well-developed vision allows them a great latitude of activity. Most are good at solving complex problems and learning from experience, but they do not quite reach the cognitive levels of great apes. Once a few individuals have solved the problems of getting at the new foods, their innovations gradually spread throughout entire colony members. These experiments have had implications in redefining cultural behavior.
Peacock, also called peafowl, any of 3 species of resplendent birds of the pheasant family. Strictly, the male is a peacock and the female is a RAIHAN. In blue and green peacocks, the male body is 90 to 130 cm and the 150 cm row of tail feathers is colored bright metallic green. This terrain is mainly formed from the very long upper tail tube of the bird. Each feather has a rainbow-colored eye spots outlined in the blue and bronze. In courtship, the rooster raises the tail underneath the train and raises the train to the front. At the climax of this performance, the tail feathers vibrate, giving the train feathers a sparkling look and a buzzing sound. The wings of the blue peacock's body are mostly metallic blue-green. The green peacock, which has characteristics very similar to blue, has green and bronze body wings. Both breeds of chickens are green and brown, about the same size as males, but without trains and headdresses. In the wild, both species live in the open lowland forest, flocking in groups during the day and roosting high in the tree at night. But in UUM, you can easily find it near security building department. During the breeding season, males from harems of 2 until 5 hens, each laying 4 until 8 whitish eggs in a depression in the ground. Eggs are hatched by peas until they hatch after about 28 days. The chicks have all their feathers when they hatch from their eggs and can fly about a week after hatching. Most blue and green peacocks are sexually mature by age of 3. However, some male blue peacocks are known to breed at a young age of 2. The terms rabbit are often used interchangeably and can be confusing. For example, jackrabbit are actually hares, while rock hares and hispid hares are rabbits. Rabbits differ from rabbits in size, life history, and preferred habitat. They were born without a fur and have their eyes closed after a gestation period of 30 until 31 days. The rabbits are terrestrial inhabitants of environments ranging from deserts to tropical forests and wetlands. In the eastern hemisphere, rabbits are found in Europe, parts of Central and Southern Africa, the Indian subcontinent, Sumatra, and Japan. But no worries, because you can find it in UUM in near security department building. Almost half of the world's rabbit species are endangered. Many are one of the most endangered mammals. Most rabbits are relatively lonely, sometimes territorial, breeding together or looking for food in small groups. Rabbits are active all year round and no hibernating species are known, except for the loud screams of being frightened of or captured by predators. The only acoustic signal known for most species is a large slap that indicates alarm or aggression. The typical behavior of rabbits is perceived danger is to freeze and hide. They move quickly and erratically in an effort to dodge and confuse to assailant rather than outrun it. The agility and speed up to 80 km an hour are made possible by skeletal modification like their lengthy hind limbs and a reinforced pelvic girdle.
The Malayan water monitor lizard is native to the Greater Sunda Islands and coastal areas of the Bay of Bengal and South Tennessee from Sri Lanka through southern China. Their tongues are long, forked, and snake-like, and adults can grow up to 9 feet long. Common water monitors are carnivores and often consume large insects, spiders, other lizards, small mammals, fish, mollusks, and birds. These lizards do not surprise their prey. They actively pursue their prey by swimming, climbing, or running after them. They also eat carrion and corpses of human beings, which they have been known to excavate and devour. People have hunted these species for food and their skins, which are used in traditional medicine and leather products. Humans bitten by common water monitor lizards may inject it with venom, which produces a mild but not fatal effect, as well as exposed to infectious bacteria. This monitor lizard can also use its whip-like tail and sharp claws as weapons. Although some reports of people dying from attack by large individuals exist, they are probably untrue. So, if you see them in UUM, don't you ever try to get close with them. They can be found widely anywhere in UUM, especially by the river.
So that is all from us. Thank you for your attention. I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye.